Coming. Gecrydd at Creamer. Creamer! O, Screamer arall, Tommy Creamer! 12 munud wedi chwarae. Diolch yn sgorio goliau hawdd yn chdi, Tommy Creamer! Bae Colwyn 1, Aberystwyth 0.
Dyle'r golwr wedi gwneud tipyn gwell am yna. Doedd yna yn glincar gan Creamer rai deud.
Downs derbyn y bel yn ôl gan Dan Jones. A bel i Cumming mynd ar ei gwari. O lle mae'r golwr? Be ar wyneb y ddeir oedd yn neud efo yna. Cumming ac pan mae'n mynd i fod yn ail. O, mae taro'r postyn! O, diar misid ar wyneb y ddeir. Y methodd Wdoien ac pan o'na. Camgymeriad ofnadwy gan Sam Green. Dihangfa i Aberystwyth. Cumming. A drysedd na, gwydd chwarae'n parhau ac pan. Dyma Creamer. At Jamie Cumming. Cumming, o, pas hyfryd i fewn ar y gyfle fan hyn am yr ail. A Dan Jones. Holli amddiffyn Aberystwyth. 6 munud ar 20 ar y gloc. Rwan mae Bae Colwyn di sgorio ail.
Ia, yna'n bas wych, doedd. Rhediad wych gan Dan Jones. Tynnu hyn i mewn fel ôl asgellwr ochr dde o'r cae yn gorffan yn glinigol.
Thorne. Alex Darlington. Darlington, bas rwy'n y gyrraedd. O, hyfryd at Iwan Lewis, wan ta Lewis. Lewis ar ergyd, o, Iwan Lewis. O, na chi chwip o gol. Sgorio'r penwythnos dwytha yn erbyn Caernarfon. Mae di gwneud ti eto. Mae yna lygedyn obaith o fan hyn ar derfyn yr hanner cyntaf i Aberystwyth.
Ia, neb yn ei gael lawr. Symudiad da gyda fo. Creamer ddim yn bigo fe fyny. Llithro Lewis codi ben. Ergyd wych, gol wych. Ia, Steve Evans fydd gan bodlon gorffan yn ddegfed yn y tabl tymor yma. Ond aros yn y gyngred, di'r nod.
Creamer. Edwards, Acpan. Ar arbedau groesodd hwn ar llinell. Maen nhw'n credu bod hi do'n wir. A smonach unwaith eto gan y golwr. Sam Green. Yr ergyd gan Wdoien Acpan i gol gynta yn uwch gyngrau'r Cymru. I gol gynta i Bae Colwyn. Da ni wedi chwarae 3 munud o'r ail hanner. Mae'n 2-1.
3 amddiffyn o'r canol ddim yn cael Acpan i fyny y golwr. Oedd i syth ato fo. A fo'n gollwng fi. Digon hawdd gweld bod hwnna di mynd dros y llinell. A fydd Anthony Williams yn gandryll.
Cumming i fewn amdani unwaith eto. Rata. Lewis. Eisiau di bel yn edrych am Steph Davies. Davies at Owen! O, am gyfle John Owen. Yr eilyddion yn cyfuno. O, fe ddyliau fod wedi taro'r targed yn y fan yna John Owen.
Dyna pan mae ddim ond ysgor un mewn 10 gêm ar 20.
Well, Steve, there's no doubt about it. I can see on your face that you're pleased with that one. And I imagine there's some relief there as well, having got your first win at home now.
Yeah, you know, we've had a great week last week and this week. But I thought fully deserved this week. You know, I thought we were the better team from the very first whistle to the end. You know, they caused us a few problems with balls in the box, you know, the big guys. But I thought we were the better team all night. And fully deserved the victory.
Talk me through your goal as well, because it's not the first time, in fairness, that we've heard about a screamer from Creamer so far this season.
I know, I just started to hit them. Like I won the week after against Cardiff Man. I hit the bar. It was like that. I thought just start shooting more, and obviously it flew in, and I was over the moon to celebrate with all the fans. If you're not confident, you won't try things like that. But when your confidence is flying, you'll try things and shoot from areas, and then obviously it pays off when it goes in the top corner like that.
We gave 2 sloppy goals away. I said at half-time to them, it's men's football. I know we've got a few youngsters in there, but that's no excuse. They need to stand up and be counted. And then to concede the goal that we did after half-time, shot ourselves in the foot. We were always going to get them on the counter-attack. We were always going to win the ball high up the pitch. But the third goal shot ourselves in the foot. It's no excuse. But they've got to stand up and be counted now. I said at half-time, it's not kids' football for some of them. It's senior football. And they've got to recognise that quickly and get back on to picking up results.